Hey guys, welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how you can make money with ClickBank and Instagram using ChatGPT. If you don't have a ClickBank account, still you can promote products and make money. Just stick with this video. You will learn all the strategies and I will also provide you some resources that will help you in affiliate marketing. Okay guys, these are the earnings and the sales that I made with ClickBank through one of my Instagram pages. And these are the earnings that I made through paid promotion. I promoted small Instagram pages on my page. And this is the Instagram page that played an important role in making consistent sales. As you can see, this page had 31,700 followers. I used to get consistent sales with this account, and the products that I used to promote are mostly relationship products. But unfortunately my page was suspended last year April. I got an email from Instagram that your account is suspended. If you scroll down in my channel, you will see this video, which I published 10 months ago when I had access to this Instagram page. If you watch this video, you'll learn why my channel was actually suspended. I will discuss everything in this video. So without further wasting our time, let's get started. So our first step is to get a ClickBank or Digistore24 account. I saw many of your comments that you are not able to create a ClickBank account. Don't worry about that. You can find some winning products that I'm going to share with you if you have a Digistore24 account. Just go to digistore24.com and create an account there. The next step is to create new Instagram account. I hope all of you have an Instagram account and you're very familiar with Instagram, right? In my previous ClickBank tutorial, I told you guys that you need to choose a niche and your page username should be relevant to your niche. For example, here I have chosen relationship niche. My page name is Twin Flame Couples, which completely relevant to my niche. So as you can see, I have opened my Instagram page. This is my new Instagram account with the previous username. Now, so once you have created your Instagram account, the next step is to switch it to a professional account, that is a business account. I hope you all know how to switch a personal account to a business account. If you don't know, then you can easily find a video tutorial on YouTube, okay? The next step is profile optimization. Here we will take the help of ChatGPT. First, we will edit our bio, and remember here one thing, that your bio is everything. So make it attractive and give it a professional look, right? Here you can see my profile bio. Now what you can do, either you can copy the text from my bio or you can copy the bio text from other big profiles and you can jump to ChatGPT and you can generate a catchy profile bio. So I will click on the search bar, then I will click on this profile, then I will copy the text from this profile, okay? Now I will go back to my profile and click on edit. Now I will jump to ChatGPT account. On the chat bar, I will paste the text that I copied. Now I will type the comment like this. Rewrite this Instagram profile bio and make it more catchy. Then I will press enter. So here you can see it is generating the bio for my profile. Now if you look at the generated answer, you will see that it has more than 150 characters and that is not allowed in Instagram. So what you have to do, you have to comment ChatGPT to make it short and then you can press enter and then you will get your new profile bio. Now here is your new profile bio. Okay, now let's copy this and go back to Instagram and paste it there and then save it. Then you can add a nice profile picture. So once you are done with setting up your profile, the next step is to create content. So there are two ways you can create content. One is creating content on your own and other is reposting others' content by giving them full credit. But I prefer creating my own content because as per my experience, Instagram algorithm loves fresh content. Now let me show you how you can create your own content. If you are going with spiritual niche, then I recommend you to follow the content strategy of these types of accounts. If you are going with health niche, then follow the content strategy of these accounts. But if you are going with relationship niche, then you can follow my content strategy or other creators in the same niche. Now you have to understand one thing here, that if you all who are watching this video, start with the relationship niche, then you can imagine how saturated and competitive it will be. So to avoid this competition, you have to choose some other branch in a relationship. For example, I have chosen twin flames. You can choose soulmates or online dating or long distance relationship, etc. From here our content creation process starts. First, I will click on the search bar to open an Instagram account of an artist, okay, so that we can use in our image. So I will open this account. Now I will select an image from this account. Let me choose this image. Now I will open it and I will copy the link of this image. Now here is a warning. Whenever you are using an image, don't take too erotic image and don't post something that violates Instagram guidelines. This is the reason why my page was suspended. If you post too erotic content, you will get a lot of exposure and a lot of engagement, but the problem here it is that Instagram does not love this kind of content. Instagram will delete your post, shadow ban you or may suspend you, so it is better to stay on the safe side. Once I copied the link, next I will go to savefromnat.com to download this image. Now I will paste the link here to download the image. Now download the image by clicking here. Once it is downloaded, go to canva.com to add text to this image. Once Canva is open, now click on create design to create your post. Now from these drop down, click on custom size, take 1080 width and 1350 height in pixels. Now click on create new design. As you can see, the new tab is opened and this is completely blank. Now upload the picture that you have just downloaded by clicking here. Once you have uploaded the image, now drag the image to this blank post. Now make the necessary edit. Now add the text to this image by clicking here. I will click on this middle one. Next, to add text to this image, again go to Instagram. Find any Instagram page that posts relationship quotes. Now before you choose any quote art, always remember that there should be a connection between the art and the quote. Also make sure that the quote or the text you're choosing has high engagement or likes or comments. For example, I will choose this image. I will click on it. Now copy this text with the help of Google Lens, or you can simply manually type the text on Canva. After you copy the text, go to Canva again, paste the text here. Now adjust the text size and add another text to just below to this text to add your Instagram username. So as you can see, our post is ready. Now I will click on the share button to download this image. Now click on download and now again click on download. As you can see, it is downloaded. Now open your ChatGPT account. On the chat bar, paste the text that you used in Canva. Now type this comment before the text like this. Help me to write a caption for this Instagram post, and then press enter. Once the caption is generated, copy this and go back to Instagram. Now what is the importance of putting a caption? When you put a caption, people read your post, and it makes them stay on your page for some more time. If they find it something useful, then they will definitely save your post and they will share with others, and these types of activities will boost your growth. Now let us publish our first post. Now click on the create button and browse the image from your file. Now click next and then paste the caption that you have copied from ChatGPT. After you pasted the caption, then give credit to the artist whose image you have taken. Remember that it is their hard work. Show your honesty with them. On my profile, you can see how I make a point to acknowledge the contribution of others. Now here comes the most important thing, hashtags. I cannot cover every detail about hashtags in this video because hashtag itself a big topic. I am going to bring another video on hashtags. But for the time being, let me tell you what are the things you should keep in your mind while putting hashtag. For that, we need a hashtag research tool. I use a paid tool called Hashtag, but in this video, I'm going to show you how to use a free tool that is Inflect, and you can use it for free. I will also drop the link of some other hashtag tools so that you can, do hashtag research. Now let us open our hashtag research tool and select some hashtags. As you can see guys, I have opened the Inflect hashtag research tool, and this is the Inflect hashtag research tool that is named as Inflect hashtag generator. Okay, just come here. After coming here, now you can scroll down and you will see these. Okay, here in the search bar you can search the keyword related to your niche and it will show you the relevant hashtag. Page is my niche is relationship and my page name is twin flame couple, so I can click here. Okay, this one. Now I will click this and select this one. Now as you can see, there are so many hashtags it has shown, right? Now you can see there, okay, how many hashtags you should use. It is recommended. Okay, so I will recommend you to use only 15 hashtags. Okay, from here you can select 5 hashtags, and from here 9 hashtags. Now and from here you can select 1 hashtag, and you can go move down, then you can also see here from right one. We will select this one. Select the small hashtags. Okay, now from here we will select 10 hashtags. You can choose some small hashtags from here, and I will select from here, But here comes the most important thing is that, about ban hashtag. So you have to know which hashtag is banned. Okay, if you are using a ban hashtag, then there will be a problem, right? Instagram will shadow ban you. So for that, I need to bring another video to explain you about ban hashtags. Now once you are done with your hashtag research, then you can copy the hashtags and you can go to your Instagram and you can just paste there. Now I will paste here the hashtag that I copied from Inflect. Now click on share to publish the post. So as you can see, the post is published. Now come back to home. Follow this strategy and publish at least 3 posts. Since your account is new, you have to get new followers. To get followers, you have to follow these 2 strategies. First, search for the popular pages in your niche and write a valuable comment in their recent post. For example, I will click the search bar and I will open this account. Click on the first post. Now with the help of Google Lens, copy this text and go to ChatGPT. Now paste the text there, write a command like this. Help me to write a comment on this post. Once the comment is generated, copy this and go back to Instagram and paste it and publish the comment. Following this way, do at least 10 comments on other big pages so that you can get more exposure. The second strategy is to follow the targeted people who are commenting and liking the big pages. Follow only those people who belong to tier 1 countries, for example United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, Japan, etc. Because people from these countries have more purchasing power. For example, I will click on the likes of this post and now you can see all the people who like the post. Now I will follow one by one. Now what will happen here is that I followed 5 people here, and out of 5 people at least 1 people will follow me back, and this way I will gain followers. Now here is a warning, don't follow more than 20 people in an hour, otherwise Instagram may identify you as a bot and eventually they shadow ban you or restrict you. You have 24 hours and don't follow more than 400 people in 24 hours. Now we have arrived to our last step, which is choosing product from ClickBank or Digistore24 and promoting them. Before I go to my ClickBank account, let me show you some of the list of the products that help me to get consistent sales. Here are the products. Among these 4 products, these 2 products you can find on Digistore24. Just go and search the name of the products on Digistore24, you will find it easily. If you want me to create a separate video on Digistore24, let me know in the comment section. Now I will jump up on my ClickBank marketplace. From there I will select on spirituality. Once it is open, now I will scroll down and select this product called Soulmate Sketch. This one is the one of the most winning product for me. You can also find this product on Digistore24 account. Now click on the promote button to grab the affiliate link. Now enter your nickname here, then click on the create hop link to create your affiliate link. Copy the link by clicking here. Once you have copied the link, the next step comes here, promoting and selling. To sell our product, first we will create a landing page. To create our landing page, we will go through the original sales page, and for that we will again go to ClickBank Marketplace. Now you can see here is our product, that is Soulmate Sketch. I will click here to see the sales page. As you can see, page structure is very simple. Here is one video and the call to action. If you scroll down, you will see some images and then some FAQs and finally another call to action. Now we will create a simple landing page with ChatGPT and System.io. First, select and copy all the text from this page and go to ChatGPT. Now in the chat bar, paste the copied text. Remove unnecessary text from the bottom. Now type the comment like this. Create a short landing page for the sales page. Then press enter. So here it starts generating the script for our landing page. So now as we can see, it generated our script for landing page. Now we will go to System.io. If you don't have any account on System.io, you can create one by clicking here. Since I already have an account, so I will log in. Now I will again click here to sign in. Now you can see my System.io account is open and it is my dashboard. From here I will click on funnels to create a landing page. Now I will click on create to create a new landing page. Now name your landing page. I will give it Soulmate Sketch. Now I will click on custom funnel from these 4 options. Then I will click on save. Now it is saved and we are back to funnel dashboard. Now I will click on Soulmate Sketch to open the landing page. Now once it is open, now click add step to create your first page. Now add name to this landing page. From the drop down, select sales page. Then click on save. Now your funnel step is opened. From here we will choose a template. As you can see, there are tons of templates from multiple niches, but I will select this one. Now from here on the left side, I will click on the edit button to edit our landing page. Now our editor is opened. I will delete all the elements in this page one by one and I will add my own elements. Once it is done, from the left side I will add a new element, that is a headline. Now I will go to ChatGPT. Then I will select and copy the first line and I will come back to System.io. Now I will paste this copied text in the headline. Remember that we will use ChatGPT generated text as our script for our landing page. Make sure to make your landing page mobile optimized because most Instagram users are mobile users. Now I will make the necessary edits. Once you are done with designing your landing page, then the final step is adding your affiliate link in the call to action button. To do so, click on the button. On the left side, paste the link here. Now click on save changes to save your editing. Now click here to exit. Now copy the link of your funnel. Go to bit.ly to shorten or customize your link. On bit.ly, click on create one to shorten your link. Then paste your landing page link. Then customize your link. Now click on create so your link is ready. Now go to Instagram on your smartphone and click on edit profile and to add your landing page link. Once you have put the link to your landing page in your bio, the next step comes here telling people about your product so that they can take action and purchase. To do so, open your landing page and select and copy all the text and go to ChatGPT. On the chat bar, paste the text and give a comment like this. Help me to write a caption for this Instagram post so that I can promote the product mentioned in the landing page and tell people to click in my link. Tell people to click on the link in my bio. Then press enter. So here it is generating your promotional caption. Now select and copy the text and save it to Google Doc or in your notepad. Now let me teach you how to publish a promotional post. Once you have grown your followers to something like 200, make your first promotional post like this. You have to create a carousel post like this. The first image in the carousel should be a general post and the other should be promotional images or videos. And you have to put a caption here that you have generated using ChatGPT. I will drop the link to these resources in the description of this video. Don't publish promotional posts daily. Make it twice a week. People will read your caption and will purchase following the call to action you have given. Finally, I would like to add that publish daily 6 posts. If you cannot do so, then publish at least 3 posts. Use Facebook Creator Studio to schedule your post. Write a good caption so that your audience get engaged with your content and make sure to publish savable and shareable content. If you want to learn how to sell through text messages on Instagram, then you have to watch this video. I hope this video was helpful. If you feel anything I missed in this video, then let me know in the comment section.